This little AI companion has a better memory than you do. Let's show you what it remembers after wearing it for 1 week. Let's go. As a YouTuber, you get a lot of products shoved into your inbox and sort of shoved onto you to review and look at. Not all of them have a bit of an impact or sort of function in a way that you would want them to. They're great concepts, but some of them practically don't translate over into the real world with a real world use case. This is not one of those cases. The Looki L1 is the world's first AI portable multimodal wearable. It captures moments from your day whilst you're wearing it and then stores it into the device and into the app, and then adds context and organizes it contextually based off what it has captured and what it has seen and what it understands. So you can ask it about what it saw and then get answers from your own experiences. It comes neatly packaged in this little cube box, and the unboxing experience is quite pleasant. Everything you need to start comes packaged right in the box. You get the strap, you get the clip, and you get this nice little rubber spacer that helps sit comfortably on your chest whilst you're wearing it and also make it more comfortable. I say comfortable twice. And the whole idea of what they've packaged in here is you get to wear this around your chest, tuck it in under your shirt, and this magnetically clips in from the front. Whole point is to make the footage more stable, so as you're moving around whilst wearing it, you're actually going to see a stable and clear footage. The setup process is also really straightforward. Everything to do with the app and how you connect it is really simple and easy, and the app is also very easy to operate. We'll talk a little bit more about that once we talk about the stuff that this has captured whilst I've been wearing it. The hardware itself is pretty easy to navigate too. You've got a button to press for videos, you've got a button you can press for photos, you've got a little touchpad area here, and you've got some long press and double presses that you can activate to do different things as well. The biggest part about this is it just captures moments effortlessly without you having to think about it. And I thought it was the perfect opportunity to test this out in a recent trip to Melbourne when I saw Oasis Live 25, the reunion, the second show they did here in Australia. I got to go to it, and I thought I'd try this out over the whole weekend. Putting it on is easy enough. You just sort of grab it off your desk, put the strap around, tuck it in underneath your shirt, put the magnetic clip part underneath your shirt, and then clip this on from the front. And then it's on. And then you've got some things that you can do to activate with the buttons, and then it will start to capture things for you. Now, I had the camera programmed into something called story mode. What I love about that is you can just set it and forget it, and it will just start to capture things as you go about your day. And the great thing is if you think something's worth recording and you don't know whether it's going to capture it because of the interval timings that it's set, you can manually activate it. So you can press the video record button and it will record, and then you press it again and it will stop recording. Same with photos. If you think something's a great photo opportunity, press the long button, it will snap a photo and it will just capture that to the device. Or if there's a nice sunset moment, I'll press the camera button and I'll capture that as well. That was on day one. I sort of started to capture a lot of different stuff. And then we're going into day two, which was concert day. I really wanted to see how this thing worked, what I was able to get as I was sort of walking through Melbourne. We walked from the restaurant to the stadium, which was also lots of fun. And we also got to be sort of in the line getting into the stadium, and I wanted to capture all of that. Even little things like catching up with the kids who were in a different state, getting to video call them. Having the camera on meant I didn't have to try and remember that moment like myself. Something was doing it for me. It just meant I could stay in the moment. That sort of captured the surrealness of the whole weekend. I booked these Oasis tickets over 12 months ago. There was a lot of uncertainty in my mind about whether or not they would actually make it to this point because of their history. Knowing them like I do, and the way Noel and Liam haven't really spoken and they've fallen out, who knows? But I was just so thankful that I got to be there in that moment, and it just meant I could stay in that moment. It was great to have that sitting on my chest, knowing I could just belt out the songs Cigarettes and Alcohol, some might say Champagne Supernova right at the end, and everything that was in between. I was just so confident knowing that I was able to just enjoy those moments. So it's great for those sort of big occasions, those big moments that you want to remember. But sometimes it can just be good to wear it in moments of everyday life. Like if I go and watch my son's football training and I'm sitting there and my daughter's being silly in front of us, it can be really great to just capture the little silly moments that ordinarily won't make it into a highlights reel of your life. But when you reflect back on them, you go, wow, what an incredible thing I was able to be in that moment for my 4-year-old daughter being funny and silly. It's like you're back there, transported back to that moment, living that again. It's incredible. And then the best part about all of this is the app just shows you everything that you've captured. The device itself has 32 gigabytes of onboard storage, meaning it can capture a certain amount of clips. And then once you upload it to the cloud storage, it sort of removes it from the device's media storage and then keeps it in the cloud for you to be able to access at any time. You just click on the date in the calendar and it shows you them. Now, the cloud backup is all powered by AWS, and the content is stored locally first, and then you have to manually toggle on that automatic cloud backup. It's not done by default. You have to decide to do that. It's never silently synced and never put up to the cloud without your consent. And because Looki uses AWS, you as the user always have full control over the content and what you're doing with it. Looki is hosting all the cloud services on AWS in your local region and area, which means it's in compliance with all the local data laws that the country or region has. I love the way that they've organized the footage. When you go into the calendar and you go to the date, it then shows you highlights from that day with the little clips that it's captured, or you have the option to toggle to all and watch every single clip that it's captured. And then if you like a clip that it's captured, you can just download it to the gallery app on your phone, and then you have it permanently stored in your own device. Now, that alone is appealing to me, especially as a content creator. Not having to carry big, bulky equipment to capture some moments that are just everyday life is really nice. Just being able to wear something on your chest, and it captures it for you and stores it for you. But if you've been around this channel long enough, you know me. And you know that I like things that do more than one thing, and the Looki L1 does that. Like I said, in the app, it sort of creates little summary clips of what it's captured. So if you go day by day, you can see it's categorized and organized with headings, little things that have happened throughout that day, and then compiled a bunch of clips into it. So you can go through and see the moments that have happened and see the clips that relate to that. And it's using AI to do that. Now, AI is a bit of a buzzword this day and age. It's everywhere. And the fact that they've built AI into something that's visual. What am I looking at right now? I think is amazing, because Looki has got a built-in AI chat assistant as part of the service in the software.
You're in your room. Wood slat accent wall, meeting a green wall, ceiling mount bracket overhead, and a TV at the bottom edge. Looks like your paneling project's in place.
Sure is. You can ask questions about what it captured. What happened on November 3rd at football practice? And it will give you contextualized answers about what it's captured relating to your own experiences.
From my notes that week, your daughter guarded snacks like a blanket goblin and snuck a cheeky pasta break at practice.
Take the weekend I'm speaking about where I went to Oasis. It wasn't just a case of going down there to see them perform. We did other things. We went to restaurants, we had dinner with friends, we did a lot of other things outside of that. But if you want to highlight a specific part of that trip, rather than having to go through your entire memory or go through a bunch of footage that the device has captured, you could ask it something like, what was the most exciting moment of the Oasis concert? Or you could ask it, what was the food that we had at the restaurant? Or about the training that I went and watched with my son? What happened at the football session that I went to? It's such a powerful little product that sort of goes with your life. It's like that perfect companion. It's like having a film crew follow every moment of your life and then having a whole team organize that footage and put it into different categories. And then you have someone you can ask about it, all in something that fits in the palm of your hand and clips on to the front of your chest. It's rare that a sponsored product is something that I can see myself using long term. I'm already thinking about next year when I'm coaching my son's football team, being able to wear this on the sideline and just capturing little moments of the game. Just make sure you unplug it before you go into the bathroom. Thanks to Looki for sponsoring this video. It was a lot of fun getting to wear this, and perfect timing for my trip down to Melbourne to see Oasis play. Use the link in the description to grab one of these for yourself as well. And I'll leave you with this. You miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. But with Looki, you're not just capturing the shot, it's your second brain to help you remember it. A brain that understands what you're doing and helps turn it into a memory for you to look back on later. Hit subscribe to Tech with Benefits if you like content like this. I've also got a lot of Samsung content you can go and enjoy. Go check all that out. I'll see you guys in the next one. You!